So India won the recently concluded ICC Champions Trophy, played in Pakistan. Instructively though, Big Bad India refused to travel to Pakistan, and instead they were allowed the exclusive privilege of playing all their games at the same venue in Dubai, proceeding to win all of those games and the title. And look, we all know the power that India wields in world cricket. The sheer numbers, their strong cricket economy, have seen them getting away with many instances of an unfair advantage. For this tournament, they were the only team that did not have to do any traveling. And of course, they are already on the subcontinent in familiar conditions. India is arguably the strongest cricketing nation in the world. And in addition to that, they now continue to squeeze out every ounce of unfair advantage they can get. For me, that puts a little taint on their recent success. Don't.
March 20th.